I'm part of the clean crew. We're doing clean today and doing the bathrooms, doing the sinks. Alex with Dougal's doing the mirrors. Hopefully it will be nice and peaceful today.
I've been almost here almost a year now. It makes me feel good, making me do new things, and they organise holidays and everything. I'll be painting mirrors, and most guys will be painting sinks, and the Giro and Jean the toilet.
I like to enjoy myself and I like to listen to my music. It's very, very cool, very good indeed.
Things I like about Civic, making new friends, working with other teamwork, makes me feel good. Because I'm doing cleaning and everyone's nice and chilled and all that.
I feel like I just like cleaning a lot, you know, it's fun. I like to do the vacuuming and stuff like that. That's what I like to do. I think I will do it for my entire life actually. You'll love it. You'll love the clean crew because it's fun. That's what I would say to them.
If you're scared, that's fine. Just come along, meet the other people, to make new friends like I did when I made friends here.